Okay, guys. So, force, presence, impact. Same lang. Begins. So, equals physical and emotional trauma, financial strain, increase dependence on the individual. So, next. Force pregnancy were also forced abortion. So, kung hindi, so, inarang yung partner hindi ka gusto ka, kailan ka makapangulang. So, your asalista, kamu ang nakakita. So, impact, forced abortion can result in physical and emotional harm to the victim. Includes medical complications, psychological trauma, and a sense of violation. If you are too young to get pregnant, you have risk Impact, forced abortion can result in physical and emotional harm to the victims, including medical complications, psychological traumas, and sense of violation. It may also excavate existing power to mga exacerbate visa. Comprehensive sex education programs can be held in the. So this is the prevention. Kailangan may mga sex education. So din sa inyo, sa gender, sa ako, gender and identity. So you could ask questions. So di ba sa topic natin po sa reproductive organ. So dapat may mga pamangkot. Mga pamangkot. Dahil sa ako mga IT ng mga lalaki, dapat sila yung wala na kang natin, malaki mag-sex, tapos may nagabawas na nagamal, makabukong na sa babae. Siguro yes, because that is already free. Cheers. So hindi nyo ba kung may mga sperm na dito na so kung
it was uploaded.
most likely after a month or 2 months, lang sila dito na, nasa sunod sa babae, ang nila yes, because that is the gist. Gist pa sa babae, sister, pagkainakas. Minsan, girls, kung sa hindi ko mag-jet lang ako, hindi ko lang ako mag-bata, mag-kaima. Wala ka mo sa kaya, basa-bala naman, So, kung ba yung tinis na vagina, vaginal opening, sa upper cut, sa upper cut, nag-uwi din ng kamay. So, that is the musical. Official literal opening. Lagi ang piling. Lagi din sa inyo, lagi tumako. Lagi sa mga tuloy. You are all virgins. Virgin.
Virgin forest. Ba't sino talaga nag-yes man?
So this is Lord. So, dahil sa iyo, Petra, lagi siya naging po, this is Lord.
Siglang nag-yes.
No. So, kayang din. So, once this is stimulated, mag-stimulate, lagi pa mati. If you stimulate this one, maganda, no? Ganyan rin, right? So, kaya ito, class. Gabay yun sa penis. So, that is considered penis in the body.
Thank you.
No? So, you're recording.